Hi, this is Susan from the team at BizBudding that brought you My Theme. Today we're going to take a look at the front page of the My Theme demo and take a look at how the sections template was put together and the different shortcodes that were used in each section. So we're going to go ahead and log into the dashboard, the back end of this page. One thing I wanted to show you is this area here is actually the banner area. So the first section actually begins right here. So first, looking at the banner area, we can see that we did not assign a banner on this page because we used a default banner in our customizer. So the banner on this page comes from here. And the text on the banner area comes from the title of the page, as well as the excerpt on the page, which is all the way down at the bottom. Here we go. This excerpt text will appear just below the title in the banner. You may need to adjust your screen settings to make sure that you're seeing excerpts. So moving on to our first section, which again is this area right here. We'll see that this was just entered as text. There's nothing other than some italic code creating anything in this section. We can look at our section settings and see that we've set the height as extra small and the content width as small, the alignment as center, and the text size as extra large. On the next section, which if we look on our demo front end, is our latest posts. This is a grid and a slider. We've created this section using this particular grid, and I'm going to post this in the video so that you can copy and paste it. If we kind of dissect this grid, what we're showing is that we're showing the content of post rather than page or any taxonomy. We're excluding some categories. We're going to show a total of 9 posts. Each post will be shown with its image, title, content, and the more link, but the content will have a limit of 30 characters. Slider equals true means that it is a slider, and it's going to scroll 3 posts at a time. It'll show the dots and it will center all the content. If we take a look at our settings, we can see that we've set our height as large using the default content width, center alignment, and the HTML ID assigned is latest posts. Our next section is our sign up form for our newsletter. We did not title this section. Titles are not required. We created this with our column shortcode, and it looks like this. So dissecting this code, we're turning columns on with our first line here, and our columns are going to be aligned center with no gutter. Our first column is right here, and we're assigning an image in that column at the featured image size. Our next column, which is right here, is our form. We've used some CSS styling to size our form, assigned a heading and some text, and using Ninja Form shortcode, added our form. And finally, we've closed out our column and closed out our columns. If we take a look at the section settings, we'll see that the height is auto, content is full, and nothing additional has been added to this section. Our next section is recipes, and again, it's a similar slider grid to our latest posts. We'll take a look at that. Here's our grid, and it is actually exactly like the latest posts section. Our next section is this just this call out box to download our, what are we downloading? We're downloading a fake ebook here. So all we did here was create the inner styling using these settings. Let's see here that we've got the light box inner styling, height large, content width small, content alignment center, and our button was just created with a standard href using a class of button, which is ready-made with my theme. So you can add that class to any href to make it into a button. Recipe categories are another grid, but not a slider, so we'll take a look at that. This grid is showing a category rather than posts. The parent is category ID 18, showing 3 columns, showing the image and title, the image location being the background of each category, aligned center and middle, meaning it's aligned vertically and horizontally. The next section is just an image. I'll show you how to do that. We could insert an image into the section, but what we've done is added a background. So you can add a background color using this tool, or you can add an image using this tool, and you'll just select an image out of the media library. In this section we have a large height, default width, center alignment, and that's that. Our next section is our products. We have WooCommerce installed on this website. WooCommerce does not come with my theme, but you can download it for free. It's the extensions that are going to cost you some money, but in this case, we are not utilizing any of those extensions. So our grid content in this case is product, but again, we're using 3 columns. We're showing 6 products total, showing the image, title, price, and the add to cart button. This is a WooCommerce specific parameter, and our alignment is center. Below that, we've added a button, again with a simple href using the class of button. Our settings are large height, default width, center alignment, and that's it. And it looks like our last section is our testimonials, and again it's a slider. So our grid content is testimonial. This is using the My Testimonial plugin, which is currently in beta, so it does not come with my theme. It is available for purchase now, and as it becomes available, if you do purchase it, we would let you know that it's available for download. But for this grid, the content is testimonial. We're showing all of our testimonials, ordering them randomly in one column, and the alignment is middle, slider is true, and dots are true. Taking a look at our section settings, our height is large, content width is medium, content alignment is centered. And that is the last of the sections on the home page. So you saw several different ways to build a grid. You saw our column shortcode right here, and how to make hrefs into buttons. So we hope this was helpful for you, and now you understand how to set up your theme to look just like the My Theme demo. Stay tuned for more video tutorials on additional topics on using My Theme. Thanks for watching.